Hello, I am Nafaika. I am a leader from Frog Program. I have something for you. Let's go. Hello, what is your name?
My name is Shri Shazali binti Muhammad.
Okay, do you like frog?
Yes.
What do you like about frog?
Saya suka frog sebab dia sangat menarik dan menyeronokkan dan saya dapat belajar bermacam-macam tentang frog lah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Hello, what is your name?
My name is Nina.
Do you like frog?
Yes, I'm very like frog.
Why do you like frog?
I love frog because it is fun and interesting for me. Thank you.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
What is your name?
My name is Roma Hanafi bin Abu Hassan.
Do you like frog?
Yes, I love frog very much.
Why do you like frog?
Because saya suka frog kerana dia sangat mencabar bagi saya dan best.
Okay, thank you. Hello, what is your name?
My name is Nurul Ain binti Zalian.
Okay, do you like frog?
Yes.
Okay, Ain, why do you like about frog?
I like frog because it is very adventure and best.
Okay, thank you. What is your name?
My name is Muhammad Hazim.
Do you like frog?
Yes.
Okay, Hazim, why do you like frog?
Because it is adventure and interesting.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Hazim. Okay, what are you doing? I'm cooking. Okay, stop cooking. Hello, what is your name?
My name is Nur Fadila.
Do you like frog?
Yes.
Why do you like frog?
Because it is very interesting.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, you are so cute.
Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Nur Faizati binti Muhammad Mirizwan.
Do you like frog?
Yes, I like frog.
Why do you like frog?
Because it is fun, easy and interesting frog.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Hello. I have something for you. Okay.